The church has failed the state. And he said, the beyond sorry say, ye go heaven. Uko Bible mua, yes, so some meba. Until I am here, yes, be one sound. Channel from Pentam, so moko heaven, or my own ye. Yet, yes, ye Pentamako, because I want a good war. I had ye go for this. Now, why that more would never fight?
I was here for the church has failed us. I mean, and I repeat, the church has failed us. And yeah, me and American, yeah, papa, our mamunim, or software bakope, prophets, and an apostle, Francis Amoako Attah, on an interview or yeah, or OKFM. Now, Oka said the church has failed us. Why? Because the church in Africa and the church in Ghana has told us, say, yes, na yen hwehwe yen no mapa e wo osran mem into obi abone bra e wo Ghana and all feel say I and what's up pre bibia or pre japade bia bibia ye huwade into all heaven. Now so China ni nzu nim say obekọ heaven. All call vini na nim say osiesie kire o e de ama na chirima e na wasiesie oman ama na akoyie e na ye de ne de akoye katahye e ne proye e na ye de to oman nim e na ye wiewie sika na ye di nko a and the well-being of the country and a quabrani agile politician or criticizing also dabi media me Christiani may try me to say madam Mudini na our heaven. Or say no, the church should preach to the people a nice word because I have been in Poyabekon yet 1,000 years in Pony Yabekwa and then yet I mean could be chill. Francis Amoako Attah and watch they say. That is not how it should be. We should think about the well-being of this place. Yes, your mind. Yempe bibi ema ye because onyankopon bo wiase no ode nyama papa achae o janyo papa mai wo mai nyansa se ni abrofo nim se heavy war pastor they are developing the estates no. The church should preach to the members. The church should talk to the people and tell them look for the well-being of your life before you die. Who you are no akotoa so e wo so imem. The church should preach to the people on how to live their life good. Ye live abrapa obrabopa na ye bebo na be boaye ebusiafo mpese kasa na ebedoso my uncle video no.
The church has failed the state. And he said, the beyond sorry say, ye go heaven. Uko Bible mua, yes, so some meba. Until I am here, ye yes, be one sound. Channel from Pentam, so moko heaven, or my own ye. Yet, no, yes, ye Pentamako, because I want a good war. I had ye go for this. Now, why that more would never fight? Yes, some young Temnamaba, the person that catch any pass idea going to more. 81% of the Bob because of the so called heaven. And he said, Bible said, Udifo, a big quick. Bible said, ye go heaven 1,000 years. And a Bible number code, or Bible said, Tim said, the church has failed this because I saw the number in Ipana Quadro, or Moko heaven, yes, over. The church has failed the state. And he said, the beyond sorry say. Ye go heaven. Uko Bible mua, yes, so some meba. Until I am here, yes, be one sound. Channel from Pentam, so moko heaven, or my own ye. Yet, no, yes, ye Pentamako, because I want a good war. I had ye go for this. Now, why that more would never fight? Yes, some young Temnamaba, the person that catch any pass idea going to more. 81% of the Bob because of the so called heaven. And he said, Bible said, Udifo, a big quick. Bible said, ye go heaven 1,000 years. And a Bible number code, or Bible said, Tim said, the church has failed this because I saw the number in Ipana Quadro, or Moko heaven, yes, over.
The church has failed us. You see, let me tell you something. Heaven. Me jina can't will be as a heaven and my hell in you. I have not witnessed it and I have not dreamt about it. It is something I have no evidence about. But let me tell you something. Your heaven is the day you die. Because when you die, you don't come back onto this earth again. While you are living on this earth, What is the example that you set? Because if every one of us on this earth has a purpose, if every one of us have a purpose, and God himself says he has a mission and a vision for us all on this earth, no be our mission and our purpose on this earth, then meaning you have to do something on this earth before you die. So answer na heaven. On your journey to heaven, you need to do something from the place you were coming from. What are you doing as a politician before you go to heaven? What are you doing as a doctor? What are you doing as a teacher? Even what are you doing as a musician? What is your impact? What are you doing as a king? What are you doing as a parent? What are you doing as a youth before you even go to the heaven? Because osibie was asibie obebu wakonta. Enti se obebu wakonta na wakacho se ensieso japade was asiso a akonta be na wakobu osoro imem. Osi ehihye wademudie bia was asiso to osore a na odun se to zemefediem. So no asa Bible na sa ka kire me ne wo se ensenye djuma ne endidi. To no say you have to make this place a beautiful place. Send obebo wias no osi na asase aye sakasaka. It is anka heaven pen ye be kwa. Question am bisa. Sasa sakasaka na nka oboy egum. Ade che no anka watu aduane efiso. No de abeba ye ne yedi ne yada. Eno anu no ne atwen ne yakwa heaven. Enso da bi o se wiase aye sakasaka. Eno se hanbra ene hanba ye. Osumbra ene sumba ye. Nsuombra ene sumba nsuo ba ye. Na kire se oye bibi. Iti woso no then obeye e wasase so. Don't let the church fail you, because if the church has failed us, Francis Amoako say, no, as you are preparing to go to heaven, prepare to make this world or this Ghana, this Africa you are living in, a better place. Do not let the church deceive you by only thinking you have a property in heaven. The property is here because there is gold, there is bauxite, there is manganese. Don't be deceived. Ebusian for me jumedi ebro me ni limo elikem kwame amega. Ubetimi afreme efo Kent. Akra mo asane obesehia. Bye bye.
Onyadofo de ne wo haw de ne wo adwendwen de ne wo kodan na edan na wasiewie na wo penchensen papa de aboso anadan a wotimo na senso to a enwuno enunti ama wonna akwakoye bisi basa ene enne me de asempa enam natural things ebie wo mo ensem de amasan krofo ni nyina se tutumi kana bra wo mo akache na wo mo ememe so wo haw no ano emfa ema enunti fa wo mo number e wo screen no eso na ene wo mo endi eye kasubo sase wo madwuma so aninti no adansifo womo atum natural things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu da biara eda